Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. As we age, maintaining bone health becomes increasingly critical. Osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures, affects millions worldwide. Many people turn to calcium supplements in hopes of combating this silent but serious ailment. However, what if there was a more natural, efficient, and delicious way to strengthen your bones? Imagine consuming a particular food just twice a week and experiencing a significant boost in bone density, so much so that you could confidently climb 10 flights of stairs at the age of 90 without feeling any strain. This extraordinary food is sardines. Often overlooked in favor of more glamorous seafood options, sardines are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, sardines play a crucial role in bone health. Calcium is well known for building and maintaining strong bones, while vitamin D aids in the absorption of calcium, ensuring your body makes the most out of what you consume. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation, which can negatively affect bone health. Consuming sardines just twice a week can significantly improve your bone density, potentially increasing it by up to 40 times compared to relying solely on calcium supplements. In addition to bolstering bone health, sardines offer several other health benefits. They are rich in high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Sardines are also an excellent source of B vitamins, which support energy production and brain function. The omega-3 fatty acids in sardines contribute to heart health by lowering triglyceride levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, sardines are packed with antioxidants like selenium, which helps protect your cells from damage and support a healthy immune system. Including sardines in your diet is simple and versatile. You can enjoy them grilled, in salads, or even mixed into pasta dishes. Their rich, savory flavor can enhance various recipes, making healthy eating both enjoyable and satisfying. By making sardines a regular part of your diet, you can look forward to stronger bones, greater mobility, and a healthier, more active life well into your senior years. Embrace this natural, delicious approach to bone health and overall wellness and experience the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Thank you.